Hello everybody, it's Nova Prime again, here with another video review slash instructional tutorial. This time we're going to be covering Perfect Combiner PC-17 Core Magnus. Now what this is an upgrade to Combiner Wars Ultra Magnus, and it actually does change the way he looks to make him actually look like the real Ultra Magnus, like we should got. Now I am using the Takara LG Magnus that was released a year ago, and now this kit is a little tricky to put together. I've already done it, and I've taken it apart and put everything back to normal. That way I can show you exactly how the kit performs. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the chest piece with this new piece that came with the kit, PC-17. And so how you do that is you're going to take this chest piece right here and undo it. And you're going to pop it out. And it does take a little bit of effort to get this out. And what I recommend doing is flipping the cab back, and snapping it out like that. And then you're going to take the new chest piece, and you're just going to set it down here like that. Fold this back in place. And you're going to have to slide it up just a bit for it to lock into place. Now, this does not fit like it should on the Combiner Wars standard chest piece. So let's go ahead and get that removed. So go ahead and untab this. And then we're going to go back here, and where you are going to unscrew the screw right here. And then we're going to lift this up like so. We're going to lift the Magnus body out, and we're going to set this aside for right now. Now then, to install the Ultra Magnus head into the PC-17 body, what you got to do is come down back here, and you need a very small Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to undo the screw. And then you're going to pull the front half of Magnus's face off like that, and like that. And then you're going to set this entire cab aside because it's no longer needed. Now we're going to go in. Sorry, I'm readjusting my camera here. Now we're going to go and bring PC-17 Core Magnus in, and we're going to unhinge right there, and then we're going to open it up like so. We're going to flip out the head. And this is the the new adapter that comes with the PC-17 kit. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and slot this in here. And make sure you hear the click on it. And then for this, what we're going to do is we want to hold on. We want to flip the head around just like that. And we're going to put the back piece on like this. And it snaps into place. Now we're going to go ahead and take the front of Magnus's face and put it back in. And we're going to redo the screw. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and put this back in there. And you're going to go ahead and shut the left door first, then the right door. And then we're going to go ahead and line everything all up. Oop. And this is PC-17 Core Magnus. Now, as you can see, this is looks like a faithful rendition of just the white Optimus. And when you also he can also combine with PC-16 Genrai Primes, or no, I'm sorry, PC-15 Power Master Prime's Power Master. However, I only got the one right now. And in order to combine him with the Combiner Wars Magnus trailer, what you want to do is go ahead and remove the gun, like so. And be very careful of the fists because they are removable and they are quite finicky. So to turn him into a cab for Magnus, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and flip these up like so. And then you want to bring this piece down like that, and then make sure that it collapses all the way. And it needs to go right there. Go ahead and repeat with the other foot, or other leg rather. And then you want to go ahead and tab these legs together. And next, you want to go ahead and bring these arms up. Actually, correct, you don't, not yet, hold on. Sorry. You want to go ahead and flip this around. And then go ahead and feed the arms like so. And you want to go ahead and put the arms down like this and like this, and make sure that the fists are all the way in, because there is a slight clearance issue. And yes, the ball joints are not the strongest out on the market. I would have expected a little bit better from Perfect Effect. But going to do it like that, Make sure everything is lined up and locked into place, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and flip the head up and out like this. Now you can turn the front grille like so, you know, to expose the power master chamber. However, I have not. Well, I have now. But to me, it just doesn't look right. And then we want to go ahead and oops, I was right the first time. Go ahead and flip the cat up over like this. And we're going to go ahead and bring Magnus's body back into the shot. And you'll see the big old peg right there. And now make sure that this area right here lines up with this area on the back. Like so. And then you're going to go ahead and feed this down. And we're going to clip it into place like so. And that is and then once you got all that done, go and take these white panels up and latch them into place. And bam, you've now got a proper looking Ultra Magnus. And you can still put the missiles on his shoulders, like so. And he still does have his two weapons. And there you go. And he also does come with a blaster that looks like Prime's. Although I have not figured out a way to incorporate it into the big robot mode. Anyway, guys, this has been Nova Prime. I want to thank you for watching. You have a good night and be good to each other.